This is a little bug, Daddy. This is a little bug.
Yeah.
Ah!
It's just a ladybug, buddy. It's on our windowsill. Wow, look at that.
Oh.
It's definitely coming down sideways. Zoom in on this house here. It's going to continue like this probably through 2 p.m. for most of Northern Virginia, and definitely points west. Just coming down out there.
Hey, Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah, buddy. Hold on, buddy.
Look outside, Daddy. Look outside.
Look at our cars. It doesn't look like the accumulation's a lot, but again, there's a lot of drift out there. So you're going to get certain points that are like triple the height of the actual snowfall. In some areas that look like there's hardly any snow at all. But it is ripping out there right now. Look at that.
Daddy.
All right.